Hi. In this video, we will learn about input type radio. Suppose I want to get the gender of the user. So I am writing here gender, and suppose there will be two type, male and female. Now what I want to do, I want to put two radio button in front of male and female. So I will create one input and type will be radio, and for female also input type will be radio. Now if you see, you can select both of them. That is the strange thing. You can select both male and female, but it should not be like this. Suppose I am putting name also, like suppose gender male, gender female. In that case also, you can see we can select both of them, and if you submit the data, you can see gender male equal to on and gender female equal to on. So as we selected both of them are going to server like this, but it should not be like this. This should be your query string should be gender, and it will be like male and female. So first of all, we will fix how to do, means how we can select only one instead of both of them. To do that, your name attribute should be same for both of them. So if you give the name attribute for both of the radio button is gender or same, then you can see you can select any one of them. So it is working perfectly fine. So if there are three or five radio buttons and their group is like same, then their name will be same. Suppose if you want to add another gender, or if you suppose if you want to create some form and there is five radio buttons and they are same type, so their name will be same also, then you can select any one of them among five radio buttons. So remember that name attribute will be same for both of them. Okay, now if you submit this data to server like female and send the data to server, then you can see gender equal to on. But if you refresh it and select male and send the server, then also gender equal to on. So how to determine whether user selected male or female? For male also it is on, for female also it is on, because the default value for the radio button, if you select it, it will be on. To do that, you have to put one value attribute also. So suppose I am putting value equal to male and I am putting here value equal to female. Now if you save and refresh it, then if you click to male and send to server, it will be gender equal to male. And if you refresh and select female and click to send to server, it will be gender equal to female. So make sure how many number of radio buttons will be there, their name should be same for working in a same group, and there should be a value attribute to distinguish which radio button is selected. They are mandatory, absolutely mandatory to work with radio button. Other than that, you can use the attributes like disabled. If you do that, this particular radio button will be disabled. And if you put autofocus, Then you can see if you refresh it, this will be focused first. And if I want to check this button by default, so whenever you will refresh or load the page first, the female will be checked, so attribute will be checked. If you do it, so whenever you will refresh it, the this will be your default one. And there is another one attribute that is required. So if you put this required value here, and if you want to send the data to server, it will not allow you because you have to check any one of them, either female or male. So suppose I am putting female and then I am going to server. So you can see gender equal to female. So it will allow you. Okay, that's it for the radio button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.